Kalimat bahasa Inggris sehari-hari yang dapat membantu meningkatkan kemampuan percakapan bahasa Inggrismu. Bagian kedua. I'm exhausted. Saya benar-benar lelah. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go home and sleep. Saya akan pulang dan tidur. I'm gonna go home and sleep. I'm gonna go home and sleep. What will happen? Apa yang akan terjadi? What will happen? What will happen? I'll come back tomorrow. Saya akan kembali besok. I'll come back tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow. Let me take a look. Biar saya lihat. Let me take a look. Let me take a look. It doesn't make sense. Itu tidak masuk akal. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. I invite you to my graduation ceremony. Saya mengundangmu ke perayaan kelulusan saya. I invite you to my graduation ceremony. I invite you to my graduation ceremony. Look at those trees. Lihat pohon-pohon itu. Look at those trees. Look at those trees. They are so tall. Mereka sangat tinggi. They are so tall. They are so tall. Come on, you can do it. Ayolah, kamu bisa melakukannya. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. I'm sorry, I don't know. Saya minta maaf, saya tidak tahu. I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know. That's a relief. Itu melegakan. That's a relief. That's a relief. Thank God you were okay. Syukurlah kamu tidak apa-apa. Thank God you are okay. Thank God you are okay. Where is Olivia? Di mana Olivia? Where is Olivia? Where is Olivia? I don't wanna be alone. Saya tidak ingin sendiri. I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be alone. Really, thank you. Benar-benar terima kasih. Really, thank you. Really, thank you. Come on, join us. Ayo bergabunglah dengan kami. Come on, join us. Come on, join us. It will take too much time. Itu akan menghabiskan terlalu banyak waktu. It will take too much time. It will take too much time. It will take 1 hour. Itu akan menghabiskan waktu 1 jam. It will take 1 hour. It will take 1 hour. What's the matter? Ada masalah apa? What's the matter? What's the matter? You're a genius. Kamu adalah seorang yang jenius. You're a genius. You're a genius. Go get your lunch. Pergilah makan siang. Go get your lunch. Go get your lunch. I'm so into you. Saya benar-benar menyukaimu. I'm so into you. I'm so into you. What are you talking about? Apa yang sedang kamu bicarakan? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Great job, everyone. Kerja bagus semua. Great job, everyone. Great job, everyone. You will see later. Kamu akan lihat nanti. You will see later. You will see later. I couldn't believe I passed the test. Saya tidak percaya saya lulus ujian. I couldn't believe I passed the test. I couldn't believe I passed the test. The prices are affordable. Harganya terjangkau. The prices are affordable. The prices are affordable. Who cares? Siapa yang peduli? Who cares? Who cares? You ruined everything. Kamu mengacaukan semuanya. You ruined everything. You ruined everything. Thank you all for coming. Terima kasih semua atas kedatangannya. Thank you all for coming. Thank you all for coming. Congratulations on your promotion. Selamat atas promosimu. Congratulations on your promotion. Congratulations on your promotion. I didn't see anybody. Saya tidak melihat seorang pun. I didn't see anybody. I didn't see anybody. I think that you should go. Saya rasa kamu sebaiknya pergi. I think that you should go. I think that you should go. Come on, give me a chance. Ayolah, berikan saya kesempatan. Come on, give me a chance. Come on, give me a chance. I don't wanna be late. Saya tidak ingin terlambat. I don't wanna be late. I don't wanna be late. That sounds like a challenge. Itu terdengar seperti sebuah tantangan. That sounds like a challenge. That sounds like a challenge. It's not a good time. Ini bukan waktu yang tepat. It's not a good time. It's not a good time. It takes too much work. Itu membutuhkan terlalu banyak usaha. It takes too much work. It takes too much work. You two know each other? Kalian berdua sudah saling kenal. You two know each other? You two know each other? You go first. Kamu duluan. You go first. You go first. This will be very interesting. Ini akan sangat menarik. This will be very interesting. This will be very interesting. I didn't say anything. Saya tidak mengatakan apapun. I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Did you see it? Apakah kamu melihatnya? Did you see it? Did you see it? Have a good day. Semoga harimu menyenangkan. Have a good day. Have a good day. What do you mean? Apa maksudmu? What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, saya hampir lupa. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, I almost forgot. Are you serious? Apakah kamu serius? Are you serious? Are you serious? That's it for today. See you next week. Sekian untuk hari ini. Sampai jumpa minggu depan. That's it for today. See you next week. That's it for today. See you next week.